Hello everyone, I just got home from work. The other day when I was mowing the grass, I hit the old mailbox post that was in the ground near my mailbox, and I bent the blade on my mower, and I may have bent the shaft. I'm not sure. It vibrates a little bit more now than it used to. So I'm gonna start the mower up and tilt it up and record the blade spinning to see if I can see any oscillations in the shaft. I'm going to go ahead and remove the blade after running it because I need a new blade. I know that. I know it's bent, so I just want to check to see if the shaft is bent. So as we can see, the shaft is bent. I don't know how bad. I mean, it vibrates like crazy, but I'm not going to send this into a shop to have them take it apart to straighten the shaft. I'm just going to use it till it shakes itself apart. But I am going to get a new blade for it. Alrighty, I went up to my local hardware store and I found a replacement blade. I want to make sure I'm putting this on the right way. So that's the bottom. Okay. And it goes on like that. And then we'll see how badly it vibrates after I'm done. I got the blade changed. It's been sitting here a minute or so to let the oil settle back down into the crankcase. So I'm going to go ahead and start it up. I'm going to do that in slow motion, so we'll see what it looks like. All right, well, it's still a little bit of a vibration, but I'm going to keep using it. I mean, I bought this mower from Kmart like 8 years ago, so I'm getting my money's worth out of it. Anyway, I will see you later.